Hey guys, so in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Moto X4 running Android 8.0 Oreo versus the Mi A1 running Android 7.1.2 Nougat. I know it's unfair cause the Mi A1 just got Android 8.0 Oreo update, but I will make a separate video of Mi A1 Android Oreo versus Moto X4 Android Oreo. This video is to show you guys the improvement that has been made in the Moto X4 after Android 8.0 Oreo update. So yeah, let's begin with booting up both the smartphones in 3, 2, 1.
Hello, Moto.
The Moto X4 wins the booting race. I think the Mi A1 was a little bit slow, not a huge difference at all. Both are having similar applications only for testing and both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. There is no SIM card inserted on both of these smartphones. So let's begin with opening few system applications. First off, dialer in 3, 2, 1. So the Moto X4 was a little bit slow here. Now let's open the messenger in 3, 2, 1. I think the Mi A1 was faster, Moto X4 was slow again. Camera. The focus was first there in the Mi A1. Now let's open the settings application and here we go. The Moto X4 was faster here, maybe because of the new settings application and interface. Now it's time for the real speed test. Let's open the third-party applications and games. Let's start with opening few social applications like WhatsApp in 3, 2, 1. I think both were exactly same guys, no difference at all. Facebook. The Mi A1 was definitely faster here. Let's open Instagram. Both were exactly same, no difference at all. Snapchat in 3, 2, 1. Mi A1 was faster. Let's open Twitter. Both were same. Now let's open the Angry Birds 2 game in 3, 2 and 1. Let's see which one wins this race. I think a very tiny difference. The Mi A1 was a bit faster. Yeah, let's see when the game starts. So the Moto X4 wins here guys. Very minute difference. Now let's open the Vector 2 in 3, 2, 1.
There's no need for you to.
So the Moto X4 is winning here as you can see. Now let's open the Power Rangers in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so the Mi A1 was faster. The Moto X4 was a little bit late. Very minute difference guys. Now let's open the Subway Surfers in 3, 2, 1. The animations are literally faster in Mi A1. And let's see which one wins this. So the Mi A1 is the winner here, while the Moto X4 still loading, and here we go. So it's time for the RAM management test of both of these smartphones. Let's see which one has refreshed any applications. So let's open Angry Birds 2. Both are there. Snapchat, Power Rangers, Subway Surfers, and Vector 2, Facebook. So the Moto X4 has refreshed the Facebook application, as you can see. Now let's open the camera application. Both of the smartphones have refreshed the camera application. Let's open the settings again. Moto X4 has refreshed the settings. I'm literally disappointed with the performance of Moto X4 at this level because the Snapdragon 630 is 10% better than the Snapdragon 625. Maybe because the Moto X4 comes with different bloatwares. The Mi A1 definitely took over the Moto X4 despite of having Snapdragon 625 processor. I don't know what Google and Xiaomi has done with the Mi A1, but the performance is definitely faster than the Moto X4. Really excited to do a speed test between the Mi A1 Android Oreo update versus the Moto X4 Android Oreo. I mean, in Android Nougat, Mi A1 can do wonders. With Android Oreo, the Mi A1 is capable of something different. So yeah, the Mi A1 wins here. The Moto X4, I'm really disappointed with the Moto X4 performance. So not a huge difference in performance of the Moto X4 as compared to the Moto X4 running Android 7.1.2 Nougat. Only the booting time is faster. There's no improvement in the performance. So this is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this. I will be making a separate video of Mi A1 Android Oreo versus the Moto X4 Oreo update speed test comparison pretty soon. So stay tuned and peace out.